Good morning student. Today we are going to learn subject Maths Standard 6 Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. We have already learned up to exercise 4.3. Okay, here we have to learn about triangles. Okay, now see here, a triangle is a polygon having three sides. Okay, a triangle is a polygon having three sides. Okay, triangle ABC is written as triangle ABC. Now see here, figure ABC, triangle ABC. Now in this triangle, how many sides are there? See here, sides AB, BC and CA are the three sides of triangle ABC. Okay. Now vertices, which are the vertices of triangle ABC? Okay, points A, B, C are the three vertices of triangle ABC. Now angles, which are the angles of triangle ABC? Angle ABC, angle BCA and angle CAB are the three angles of triangle ABC. Up to this clear? Okay. Next point, interior and exterior of a triangle. All the points which are inside the triangle ABC are said to be in the interior of triangle ABC. All the points which are inside the triangle ABC are said to be in the interior of triangle ABC. Okay? See here, point P is in the interior of triangle ABC. Now see here, in figure we can see point P. Point P is in the interior of triangle ABC. Okay, all the points which are outside the triangle ABC said to be in the exterior of triangle ABC. All the points which are outside the triangle ABC are said to be in the exterior of triangle ABC. Understood? Now see here, which point exterior of the triangle ABC? See here, Q. We can say Q. Point Q is in the exterior of triangle ABC. Points A, R, B and C are on the triangle ABC. A, R, B and C are on the triangle ABC. Okay, up to this clear? Okay. Now see here, exercise 4.4. Now see question number 1. What is question number 1? Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point on P. Mark a point P on its interior and a point Q in its exterior. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? Now solve this sum. How to solve? See here, first we have to draw a figure. Okay, A, B, C, P and Q. Okay, point P and Q. Now see here, point P is in the interior of triangle ABC. See here, point P is interior of the triangle ABC and point Q is in the exterior of triangle ABC. Point A is neither in the interior nor in the exterior of triangle ABC. See, point A is neither interior nor in the exterior of triangle ABC. So we can say it lies on the triangle ABC. Okay, understood this first question? Now second question, question 2. First one, A, identify three triangles in the figure. In this figure we have to identify three triangles. Okay, which are the three triangles? The three triangles in the figure are triangle ABD, triangle ACD and triangle ABC. Okay, second question, B. Write the names of the 7 angles. How many? 7 angles. Write the names of the 7 angles. See here, angle BAD, angle ADB, angle angle DBA, angle CAD, angle ADC, angle DCA, and angle BAC. These are the 7 angles. Okay. C number. Write the names of 6 line segment. Write the names of 6 line segment. See here, the 6 line segments are AB, AC, DB, DC, AD, and BC. These are the 6 line segment of this figure. Okay. D number. Which two triangles have angle B as common? Which two triangles have angle B as common? Answer is there. Angle B is common to triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Angle B is common to triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Understood this both question? Okay. Next point, quadrilaterals. What is quadrilateral? See here, a quadrilateral is a polygon having 4 sides. A quadrilateral is a polygon having 4 sides. See here figure, quadrilateral A, B, C, D. This is a quadrilateral. Okay. Now how many sides? How many vertices? How many angles? How many adjacent sides? How many opposite sides? And how many adjacent sides? And how many opposite angles? Okay. Now I will explain this. Sides. Which are the sides? A, B, B, C, C, D, and D A are the 4 sides of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay. Now vertices. Which are the vertices of quadrilateral A, B, C, D? Point A, B, C, and D are the 4 vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. Now angles. Which are the angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D are the 4 angles of quadrilateral ABCD. Now adjacent side. Which are the adjacent side of quadrilateral ABCD? AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, DA, DA, and AB. Okay, these are the 4 adjacent side of quadrilateral ABCD. Now opposite side. Which are the opposite side of quadrilateral ABCD? AD, BC, AB, DC. These are the opposite side of quadrilateral ABCD. Now adjacent angle. Adjacent angles. Angle A, angle B, angle B, angle C, angle C, angle D, and angle D, angle A. These are the adjacent angle. Now opposite angles. Which are the opposite angles? Angle A, angle C, angle B, angle D. These are the opposite angle of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, understood this point? Okay, exercise 4.5 you have to do yourself. Okay. Next point, circle. About circle we have already know in standard 4th and 5th standard also. Okay. A circle is made up of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. A circle is made up of all the points which are equidistant from a point, a fixed point. Okay. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. The fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. Next, the distance around a circle. The distance around a circle is called its circumference. Okay, see here figure. In the figure, O is the center of the circle and segment OA is its radius. Okay, segment OA is its radius. Okay, now what is chord? Chord, a segment joining any 2 points of the circle is called a chord of the circle. A segment joining any 2 points of the circle is called a chord of the circle. Here segment BD is a chord of the circle. Understood this point? Okay. Next point, a diameter. A chord of a circle that pass through the center of the circle is called a diameter of the circle. A chord of a circle that pass through the center of the circle is called a diameter of the circle. See here this figure. See here. QR is the diameter of the circle. QR is a diameter of the circle. See here, QR is the diameter of the circle. Now next point, arc. An arc is a part of the circle. An arc is a part of a circle. Next point, interior and exterior of a circle. Interior and exterior of a circle. See here, circle. Which points are interior and which points are exterior. Okay, see here in this figure we can see here points P and O are in the interior of the circle. P and O are the interior of the circle. Point A, X, B are on the circle. Point R, Point R is in the exterior of the circle. Point R is the exterior of the circle. Understood this point? Next point, sector. What is sector? A region in the interior of a circle which is enclosed by an arc and two radii of the circle is called a sector of the circle. A region in the interior of a circle which is enclosed by an arc and two radii of the circle is called a sector of the circle. See here this one radius and another radius, both radius. Okay, so this we can say sector. It is a sector. Now next point, segment. What is segment? A region in the interior of a circle. A region in the interior of the circle which is enclosed by an arc and a chord. Arc and chord is called a segment of the circle. See here, arc and chord. So we can say this is a segment. Understood this all point? Okay, so exercise 4.6 you have to do yourself. Okay, it is so easy, so you have to do yourself. Thank you.